Hi guys. The reason for me to come over here on the evening is specifically for an important announcement which has been made by the KEA. It's regarding the postponement of the PGCET examination, which was supposed to happen on September 10th. Right now, they have announced that they would be postponing the exam, but the new dates are not yet announced. So we need to just wait for it. Most probably, it might be in the month of October or in the month of November. Still, it's not sure. Fine. So as of now, only they have announced the exam is going to be postponed. The reason being, many of the degree colleges have still not completed their final semester examination, and many are also having the examination scheduled during the similar time of September. Okay, so it is a bit hectic for the students to get prepared for both hand in hand. So they have come up with this issue. So you can come to the KEA website and here the PGCET 2023 regarding postponement of exam. The notification is let out, and this is what it reads. The PGCET 2023 examination is postponed. Students are informing KEA that the few universities' final semester degree exams are happening during September and requesting to postpone the examination in view of the final degree exams are not yet completed by few universities and by considering the interest of the students. PGCET 2023 scheduled to be held on 9/9/2023 and 10/9/2023 for admission of MBA, MCA, MTech, MR courses are postponed. Revised schedule will be published in the due course. Still, we are not received the revised schedule, but yes, most probably it might happen either in the month of October or in the month of November. Okay, so as of now, this is the news. And still, those people who are preparing for the examination, get prepared for your final degree examination, which is more important at this point of time. And those people who are preparing for the PGCET entrance, in case if you find any difficulties in handling any of the subjects, or if you're finding difficulty in handling mathematics, you can reach out to us. We do support people in order to crack your examinations. So for further details, you can just find all the necessary links on the description given below. In case if you want to start your preparation for PGCET, you can contact us. We will help you out with the recorded classes or for the online classes or even for the offline classes. So whichever is more convenient to you people, you can start the preparation. And it's not a tough exam to crack with ample amount of preparation given, right? So having said this, all the best. So take care. We'll meet you soon in the next video. Thank you. Bye.